This is our small elevator.
It's a lift. Get it right.
Oh, you were here when they got stuck. There was people stuck like in between the two floors, and they were trying to open it, and it was scary.
I was here when the porters came to say that they weren't in it anymore. I know. Weekends are always this place is good.
I lost my purse and I went back to the place in the club where I'd lost it.
I nearly lost it.
I was like, grab it quickly.
Right, this is how good St. Helens is. People drop
There's
their
the
equipment
birds everywhere.
and some like teenage childish girl came up to me and said, "You drop their equipment." I was like, cheers. I didn't give her out.
She almost had one. Those are big birds. They didn't look that big yesterday.
I'm so glad rugby was cancelled tonight. I just come back.
Alright, we're celebrating Guy Fawkes tonight, and this is what Guy on when is it?
Bonfire Night.
Bonfire Night. Oh. What is the difference?
What's Guy Fawkes Day tomorrow? Is that what?
Oh. Okay, so
There's no Guy Fawkes Day.
oh, there's no such thing as what I thought there was. But the history, someone's going to tell me why we're burning things.
For a lot.
Because Guy Fawkes wanted to blow up Parliament because he didn't like him. I don't know why, but he didn't like him. And so he was going to find like gunpowder underneath Parliament building, and he had this massive plan and loads of people were involved, and then basically the people that were involved ratted him out, and so they killed him.
So it never works?
Actually burned him.
He never actually like,
They hung him, not burnt him.
yeah.
So why do we burn things?
Because he was going to blow stuff up.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
he was going to burn the whole thing.
So, but do you burn it in order, like, in honor of him blowing
Yeah.
stuff up, or because he was caught?
Because he was caught.
Oh.
For the guy thing.
Wait, so then why do you blow it? That doesn't make sense to me.
It does make sense.
Don't ask questions. Don't ask stupid questions. Wait, but you said because in honor of him blowing
No,
up,
yeah.
and you said...
Because no, he never actually blew anything up. He was just planning to.
No, we didn't. He had it all there.
Yeah, he had it all underneath. They went and found it, and there was loads of gunpowder underneath the building.
Right.
And he was going to blow it up when they were having a
That's
big
why I said
massive
fireworks.
meeting.
Just watch V for Vendetta.
But then
all
Was
explains
he
it.
going to blow up when they were having a big massive meeting and all the members of Parliament were going to be there?
That's why I think that's why they do fireworks.
Yeah. Because there was going to be fireworks if the gunpowder
It's sort of
went up.
connected.
Yeah.
This is Lancaster.
Lights and stuff like that. Kitchens. They sell kitchens.
They sell hogs and
Yeah?
kitchens and bathrooms.
And stones.
Like, full of those like little boxes that they used to sell. You could get like a pound of like shit.
Yeah.
I was like, I want to give it.
She's on the castle.
Kelly broke the door! Still here. Had a padlock on it and everything.
Guilty! Brand her! Brand her!
I think she needs a strong glass of mulled wine.
Candy floss.
It does actually. The music plays. It looks like the sky's fake.
No, I can't hear anything.